As an estate and elder law attorney, one of the questions I get quite often is, are all powers of attorney the same? Hi, my name is Bill Miller, and I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney in Alabama, and we have offices in Anniston and Birmingham. I think that the durable financial power of attorney is the most important document that you can have in your estate plan. It's the document that allows someone else that you trust to make financial decisions for you if you're not able to do so, like selling property, accessing accounts, paying bills, and things like that. But it's very important to note that all powers of attorney are not the same. Powers of attorney have to be very specific, and they have to have everything listed in there. All powers that you want to give have to be listed in the document. So I see pretty generic powers of attorney quite regularly, and those powers of attorney will do general things like allow the sale of property, access accounts, and things like that. But they don't allow things like asset protection planning, setting up trusts, changing beneficiary designations, a lot of the things that people need as they get older, that they may need their spouse or their son or daughter to do. They have this false sense of security because they have a power of attorney, but it does not have all the authority that they need. For example, I had a lady in my office not long ago who had a power of attorney. Her mother was going to the nursing home and they wanted to try to protect some of the assets, but she got the power of attorney at Best Buy, used the software, and it didn't have provisions in there for gifting away assets and putting them in trusts, setting up trusts. Didn't have authority for her to deal with Medicaid and things like that. And so, we had to turn her away because the power of attorney didn't have everything in there that it needed. So just because you have a power of attorney doesn't mean that it's going to be adequate and do everything you need for it to do. I would advise you to get it looked at by an elder law attorney who knows what these powers are that are necessary. You are welcome to give me a call at 256-241-6794 or visit my website at www.millerestateandelderlaw.com to learn more.